So hello ma'am, good evening. I'm now going to explain my activity 8 lesson 16, which is the segment display. As you can see here ma'am, we have the 8 segments, which is the variables of 8. They are assigned to the specific pin, which is a total of 8 pins. So here we have the setup. Here for the int, this pin 4 to 11, which is that for the full loop, and then for all of those, this pin will be displayed as output for the loop man. As you can see here ma'am, uh, digital one, which is for that is I will explain it later to the functions below. So if it displays the function digital one, and then it will delay 1 second, and then it will move on to the digital 2. So it has so on and so forth. So for the functions ma'am, we have the digital one. So here digital, right, C, which is turned on for the segment, which is 1, then B, and then on. So which is two segments, display 1 1 2, and then for the for the J 7 to 11, it will be turned off. So it for all the corresponding that is assigned to the J will be turned off. So for the digital right, or the DP decimal point will be turned off. So as you can see here ma'am, the dot, which is the decimal point, since some of them are did not display and some of them are display. So for the one, and we will wait for the one. So 1 8 turn off the decimal point. So here we have the digital 2. So here we have 1, B will be turned on, A will be turned on, which is 2. So for all the for loop, for the J, the assigned to 9 to 11 will be turned on. So 9 10 11, which is total of 5. So for the segment of 2, 1 1 2 3 4 5, which is correct, and then it will turn off all the uh, other segments. So for the tree ma'am, uh, here we will assign the character j variable. So for this for loop, so we will on the g, and then d, which is 2, and then for the all the j that is assigned to 5 to 7, which is 5 6 7, which is 5. So for the tree, and then we will it will display 1 2 3 4 5, which is a total of 5 segments for the tree, and then it will turn off all the other segments. So for the 4 month here, which is we turn on the C, B, F, and then G, which is 4. Then it will then display 4 segments for the 4, 1 2 3 4. So and then turn off all the other segments that is being assigned as low. So for the 5 month, we will assign to J, and for the J, that is connect assigned to all to 7 to 9, which is 7 8 9, which is 3 segments. Then for all the J will be turned on, which is 3, and then the C will be C on for the 5. So for the 5, we will display 5 segments, 1 2 3 4 5, which is correct, and then it will turn off all the other segments that is assigned to low. So for the 6 month, here we will assign the J, and then for all the J that is assigned to 7 to 11, which is 7 8 9 10 11, which is 5. And then for all the J that is turned on, which is 5, and then 6, and then turn off all the other segments, and then we will display the 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, which is correct. So for the 7 ma'am, we will assign the variable J for all the full loop J, which is to 5 to 7. We will display 5 6 7, which is 3. All the J will turn on, which is 3, and then the decimal point will be turned off low. So for all the uh, J that is connected to the 8 to 11, which is they will be turned off right here, J low. So for the 7, which is 3 segments, 1 2 3, which is correct. So for the last one, for the digital 8, we have the assigned that character value J. Then for all the J that's connected to the 5 to 11, 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, which is 7 of the segments. So for the 8, all the the J will be SM will be turned on, DP will be turned off. So for the 8, uh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which is correct for the 8. So as for the result of my Arduino normal, because you can see here, this for the upper, which is connected to all the segments uh, to the breadboard, and this is are the pins. So one for the red, it is connected to the ground that provides energy to the segment display. So we will see the output: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's it. That's all for my explanation, man. Thank you for listening.